In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive money on Sendwave. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to transfer money, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process to make sure everything is clear as day. First, we'll visit the Sendwave website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Continue to Send. Clicking this will lead us to a page where you'll need to input some personal information. This includes basic details like your name and date of birth. You'll also be asked about the purpose of your account, your billing address, zip code, city, and state. Accuracy is essential here, so make sure everything is spelled correctly and matches any official documents you might need later. Once you've filled in all the required fields, hit Finish to move on. This step confirms your basic information and sets the stage for the next steps. Now, you'll need to choose the primary reasons for your money transfer. This could be anything from sending money to family, paying bills, or even personal purchases. Choose the option that fits your situation best. Once you've done that, you'll click on Continue to proceed to the identity verification phase. Verification is an essential step for your security and the security of the person you're sending money to. Here you will select the country you're in and which form of identification you'll use. This could be a passport, driver's license, or another government-issued ID. Selecting the right document is crucial, so make sure it's both valid and current. After selecting your ID, hit Continue and you'll see an option to start verifying your identity. Click on Start and follow the instructions provided. Once you've completed the identity verification process, click Done. This will confirm your identity and finalize the setup of your Sendwave account. Next, to enhance the security measures, you will need to start recording a short clip of your face. This biometric step ensures that it is indeed you who is authorizing transactions. Make sure you're in a well-lit room, keeping your face in front of the camera. After the short recording is done, continue to send money by following the instructions that will appear on your screen. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the setup on Sendwave and are ready to send money safely and efficiently. We hope this video has made the process clear and straightforward. Remember, every step of the way, it's all about security and simplicity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy transferring.